This is problem number 14. Let me solve here. How many thousands make a lakh? Right. So let us go with this. 1 lakh. So how you are going to write? Unit, right? 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. This is going to be 1 lakh. Right. 1000. Right. 1000. 1000 is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 0. Right. This is 1000. Now we need to check out how many thousands make this 1 lakh, right? Just divide it, right? Or otherwise, right, you can multiply it. See, let us check out here. Divide this, right? This is 10,000, 1 lakh, that divided by 1000, right? 1000 ones are, right? 1000, right? So 2 zeros are 1 0, you will get this. So this is going to be 0, again 1 0. This is nothing but 100. If you multiply, right, how many thousand? That is 100,000 is going to make lakh. You can check out here. 1000 into 100. If you multiply, you are going to get 1 lakh. Right. So that's what it is going to be. How much? 100 thousands. This is the answer. Right.